trainer Regine. Now, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So we're going to put this object on your left, on your right, or in the middle. Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, let's put it right here. Now, let's call our psychic bird Dazzle. Dazzle is our super-crested kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatuwa galerina. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are vernal bird and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? Well, if it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle!
You can do
Come
it!
on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us! And she found it! Round of applause for Dazzle with treasure birds. Next our next future birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will remain short partner for life. With romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, there will always be battle. Means Sassy and Rocky, a beautiful pair of dreamy couple. But today, we will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before I start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy! Sassy!
And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! Rocky!
Rocky!
Alright, so girls ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed only by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie for the last ball. Who's gonna win it? Rocky wins! Trainer Mikey, what can you say about that? Use this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she won another race, Trainer Briggs.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to this again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who can draw 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So, the ring race shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we will doing this again. And this time, our yours. Ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ring. Hey, what's happening? Sassy picking up the 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy! Trainer Beans, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you think she did?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Mikey and Trainer Beans. Parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue balance Thursdays and not get bored. So here is Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape box into the correct slot.
Wow!
Just like Sassy, twin walkers from South America and the Japanese diet of the Pacific. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest in Japan. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Raptor. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the riverbank. And for the laundry, and there you go, intelligent right around the applause for Sassy with Turner Mighty.
Counting sheep.
Now guys, who loves math? All of us heroes addition, right? Because this next part of the program will lead you over all the ways. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Alright, so the first number is number 10. So about the second number. Alright, so the second number is number 8. So the equation is 10 plus 8. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Johnny will shuffle the numbers.
What's the chance it can snow when you bet? And you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't.
Now, let's call our hybrid noo, Rocky. Come on, Rocky.
You and we all shout hurrah as he confronts the mob, jotting down in that margin, which could do something margin. Tap your feet, keep the time to the beat of a song while you're singing along.
Alright, Trainer Johnny's rock ready? Go, Rocky, solve the equation for us.
Try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics.
And Rocky gets the first number correct. So how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Counting sheep when you're trying to sleep, being quick.
And he gets the number 8. So 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. A round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Johnny. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone wants to be a lucky volunteer for today? Just raise your hands and we will choose one. With 500 peso bill. Come on guys, anyone? Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Alright, I think we got one. Hi sir, please come here on stage. You will notice that the first four people are mostly panel. This is because they're highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical in time. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Sir, what is your name? How about a round of applause for our volunteer, Mr. Ronald? Can everyone follow me this way? Now, sir, all you have to do is stand right here and facing this way and extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now, sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, let's see. Now, let's call our money bird, Buddy. Buddy is also our Mulukan Katsu. Scientific name is Kakatsuwa Sensis. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money. A round of applause for our donor. Sir, before we go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for search? Let's how you know your money will go a long, long way. And we're very grateful. You will now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. So about 1,000 pesos this time. No more? Sir, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. No, sir, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. Please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Sir, Buddy's saying something before Buddy gives your money. Buddy wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Now all you have to do is stand right here, look at the camera, and over your cheese. and Parrot, we would like to introduce you another species of birds here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and killed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight, and they also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our prominent high. Here comes Speed. Prominent kites are typically known as the leaves communities, one of the 436 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along with China, including the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They locally known as Lawin or Bangkok in Visayas region. Everyone, meet our chickens! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generate their queen's nest and mates. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in the land and air as well. Now guys, who knows that triers? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Here's our lovely bird, and they're going to show us how the proper waste disposal.
Yeah.